Hello, everybody. So, today we're playing a game called Tiny Rails. I've recorded this twice. Once again, the recording failed. But thanks to this Mobizen right here, it actually has started working. So, what you really do in this game is, you see, okay, so we did 200. Oh my gosh. 2,970 coins, 32 stations, da da da. Okay, so what you do, you customize the train, you upgrade the train, you collect as many passengers, you get as much money as you possibly can. You just do a lot of stuff like that. And right now, I need to get all of the upgrades. Let's check out the settings. Tip: this menu will help you allow the game. Don't care. Wow, getting a lot of gems. Hey, Lynn, I don't want to go out anymore anyway. Sorry about that. I'm at my granny's and we asked if we could go play outside, and Halen, my cousin, keeps agging her on. So yeah, let's see, we just earned a lot of gems, so may as well use them. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so let's see. This game is actually pretty fun if you like to be creative. Huh? Okay, I'll just save it, I guess. But yeah, that way then you can like build your own terrain, stuff like that. Let's see. Services, purchase, train along. Okay. See, how about the train itself? Do I have anything that I can put on? Maybe? Maybe, please? Yes? Yes, no, maybe so? Let's see, okay. This game is pretty straightforward. I mean, it is like the same thing, yada yada. So, okay, we got a good amount there. About to depart. Now we are. Let's check out our upgrades. Purchase all this. Make sure it's done. Really, this is just a time-based game? I mean, you're just going around building. But you can like get more train parts with this. I'm gonna go ahead and buy one, show you what it's like. So I'm gonna get a red, and it is a bullet food car. So I'm guessing that means just like a bullet train food car. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Maybe. Probably not. You know? Yeah. So now we have that. Yeah! I don't! Sorry about that, guys. Let's see. What is this? So it looks like you can. This is like stuff that you unlocked. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. My cousin kept tagging her on. And my cousin's probably gonna come up here and be like, why do you not want to come out anymore? But yeah, I just don't. Let's see. By the way, please in the comments down below, like, leave a suggestion of what game you would like to see me play. I know, like, I just started YouTube and everything, but, like, I'm not necessarily running out of ideas. It's just in the case that I want to know what you guys want to see instead. Know what I'm saying? But yeah. And that there. Got a good train going already. Let's see. So we'll be there in 70 kilometers. I don't think we will be able to get it until we do max speed. So we need to do that. Okay. But yeah, that's basically it. Just wanted to show you guys what this game was about. Tell me if you want to see it again. I'll try to show you things and stuff like that. Okay, see you all later.